Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get Project Playtime on the mobile. So if you love to play Project Playtime and you want to get it on your mobile, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So I know this game is not available on the Play Store or on the Apple Store, but you can play it on your smartphone. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the injectserver.com and you will find this type of the website. Once you will do it, right here you have to search for the Project Playtime, and once you will search for it, you will easily get the APK version of this game right here. Download it and install it on your phone and enjoy your game. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.